Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy breakfast that is loaded with vegetables. Great for the kids who does not like to eat vegetables. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. To start here, I have 2 cups of rice that is soaked for at least 3 hours. And I washed it, drained all the dirty water, and I'm going to transfer it into a high-speed food processor or a blender. Now go ahead and add very little water, around 2 tablespoons, and make it into a smooth paste. As you can see, it's nice and thick consistency. That's exactly what we are looking for. Transfer into a large bowl. Now add half a cup of hung yogurt and give it a quick mix until it's nice and smooth and easy to work with. We are going to go ahead and add a few ingredients. Here I have added salt to taste, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon chili flakes or more if you prefer, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon ajwain. Just crush it in your palm before you add it so that it enhances the flavor. Combine them well. I know it's gonna be hard, but just don't add water yet. Go ahead and combine them until it's well incorporated. Now here I have 2 large carrots that I've grated, 1/4 cup green bell pepper finely chopped, and here I have 1 medium tomato seeded and finely chopped. I also have onions, 1 small onion finely chopped. You can use red onion if you prefer. 1/4 cup of cilantro finely chopped. Go ahead and add 1/4 cup of water at this point and go ahead and mix them nicely. Now you don't want to add all the water together, just add a little bit at a time, and you can see the consistency is nice and thick still. Here I have 1/4 cup of green peas, 1 tablespoon corn flour, or you can also add besan flour if you prefer. Now mix it well, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Again, mix them well to incorporate together, and the batter has to be nice and thick. As you can see, just very thick consistency. If it is anything thicker than that, add a little bit water, that's okay. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons water just to activate this. This process I'm going to only do right before making the pancake. Here I have my pan that is nice and hot, medium-high heat. Brush a little bit oil and add 2 full spoons of the batter on the pan and cook for 3 minutes each side, depending on the thickness, how thick or thin that you're making the pancake. And once it is done, serve it hot. It's nice and crispy outside and crunchy vegetables. It's super delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.